Burgers are an absolute family favorite, but making them could be quite tedious, isn't it? Today, let me simplify all of that, but with an interesting twist using McCain Smiles. Well, the oil is hot enough. Let's add in the smiles. Well, the best part about McCain Smiles is that this could be either fried or baked. This goes straight from the freezer to the kadai, and this just takes 3 minutes to fry. Coleslaw. It has green cabbage, so I'm using that. Well, the cabbage goes in a bowl. After the green cabbage, I'm also going to cut some purple cabbage, and this is completely optional. Let's now move on to cutting the carrots. Of course, a completely optional ingredient. The first ingredient that of course goes in the cabbage is some white vinegar. The next is of course salt as required and some freshly cracked black pepper. Let's mix this well. The next thing is mayonnaise. Well, this is classic English yellow mustard. And with this, your coleslaw is kind of done and ready. The first step is to start arranging the McCain Smiles. Starting with leaves of lettuce. I'm going to top this up with a spoonful of homemade coleslaw. The next is a slice of tomato. Let's cover this up with another McCain Smiles. Finally, let's top these up with a little few pretty things and of course make it look absolutely child friendly. For that, I'm using parsley and cherries.